Welcome to the channel. My name's Adam and I'm the Metalhead Mechanic. I work on cars and I listen to heavy metal music. Pretty simple. You're inside my little shop. Sorry for the poor lighting, but it is what it is for today. But just wanted to introduce myself and the channel. We'll be working on lots of cars. We got project cars, we got other project cars, we got all kinds of stuff we do. But I did go to auto technician school. However, I'm not an ASC certified mechanic. I've never worked in a shop one day. I actually work a full-time job and do this stuff on the side. I'm a husband and father. I've got 3 kids, 2 of which, my oldest and youngest, are special needs, and my wife and I were both active in the special needs community here in Southwest Ohio. Most of my videos are going to be POV, just so you can see what's going on and what I'm doing. Yeah, though we work mostly on Japanese stuff, Asian stuff, like Toyotas, Nissans, Mitsubishis, Hondas, Kias, Hyundais, all that stuff. But also, like I said, we throw in some domestic stuff, Fords, Chevys, Dodges, a lot of Fords actually, stuff like that. So it's not all going to be Asian stuff, but for the most part, that is what I primarily work on. Pretty full functioning shop, lots of tools. Can do most of my stuff in-house. Very rarely have to outsource anything. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the content. Like I said, I'll be trying my best to do at least 2 uploads a week, possibly more. We'll see. We'll just see how it goes. But yeah, let me know in the comments if there's anything in particular you're wanting to see or see me do, see me work on, or maybe you want a better explanation of. But yeah, just stay tuned. Thanks, guys.